Over this past summer, I built a window cleaning business from scratch and scaled it to thousands of dollars per week. And the crazy part of this is that I did it while in high school at 14 years old. So in this video, I'm going to be revealing to you the exact steps that I took to achieve this success and how you can do the same. Alright, so this whole story starts last spring because I was in the car with my dad and I was talking about different business models I could start. And my dad told me about window washing. He'd seen a video by Graham Stephan where pretty much this guy was going door to door, he was knocking doors and getting sales for his window washing business, but instead of scheduling them for the next day or for the next week, he was doing them right there at the door, and he was making like $250 per house and like $1,000 per day. And I thought, wow, that's amazing. So I was looking more into it and I started watching videos about it and I started to get really interested in it. Alright, so after I'd done a ton of research and watched a ton of YouTube videos on window washing, I decided to make my first initial investment of $100 to get a squeegee, a scrubber, a telescoping pole for the high windows, and pretty much just all the basics of what I needed. After the equipment arrived, the next step of the process was the hardest, and that's getting the sale. So I just watched a ton of Josh and Oliver Lester's sales tips videos. I'll leave their channels down below, they're amazing. My parents dropped me off in a neighborhood. I was super nervous. The first door I knocked, I did a terrible sales pitch and I got a no. The second, nobody came to the door, and then the third door I knocked, I did a great sales pitch actually. I quoted them for $100 and they said yes. And the reason why I did $100 is because I wanted to just do a really cheap price just to see if they'd say yes and see if it worked. And it worked, and I made $100 in like 2 hours and I was pumped. And then after that, I knocked a few more doors and I got another house for $200. That took like 3 hours. It took me a lot longer, but pretty much I spent the entire day, the whole afternoon out there, and I made $300 in a day. I remember being so pumped. I was so happy, and this was really encouraged me to keep doing it. Okay, so before I go any further, I do want to make one point clear. Throughout this video, you're going to hear about how amazing and how easy window washing is. And while window washing in itself is easy, the hardest part to window washing is getting the sales. Getting sales is brutal. It's the hardest part to the whole business model. And I remember days where I was out for like 6 hours, didn't get a sale. I remember a whole week where I didn't get a sale, and I also got the cops called on me. So I hope you guys don't think, it's just an easy walk in the park. You can just start this business model, not even try and make a lot of money. You're going to have to persevere. You're going to have to work hard. But if you can work hard and if you can persevere through the sales, you will be able to make a lot of money. And here's another thing. If you do have one day where you don't make any money, $0, the next day, if you make $400, your average price was $200, and that's still really good. So usually with this business model, your good days will outweigh your bad days, or at least make up for them, and that's the beauty of this business model. If you can get a sale, you are guaranteed a job right then, which will outweigh any days that you didn't get a sale, because the job's price are very good. $200 to $250, that's a lot of money per house. So always remember that, sales is going to be really hard, and I'm going to be making some videos about sales, so stay tuned for that. Comment down below if you want to see that. But just always remember, it's not going to be easy. You're going to have to really persevere and push through, but if you can do that, you will see success. But with that being said, let's move on to the rest of the story. So, I just finished my first day of work and I made $300, and the days after that, they just honestly kept on getting better and better. Like I had a $400 day, a $450 day, and I did have some slow days. I did have some days where I didn't make any money, but my good days, like I said before, did outweigh my bad days. And I soon got myself to the point where I was ready to make my biggest investment, a $3,000 water filtration system and water fed pole. Pretty much what this allowed me to do was to clean the windows, rinse, scrub them, and then walk away because the water was already filtered, so it didn't leave any spots or streaks on the windows. Honestly, with window washing, there's two levels. There's the beginner level where you have the $100 equipment, and then level 2, the pro level, where you have the $3,000 water filtration system. So if you can get yourself to level 2, honestly, you are at a very good point, and you will be able to crank through houses not only quickly, but you'll be able to do a better job than you were before if you're using the $100 equipment. Now that being said, I don't think that you should go and buy the $3,000 water filtration system just right off the bat. Honestly, start with the $100 equipment and work your way up from there. There's a couple reasons why I think this. Number one, you need to see if this is a business model that you like. You need to see if this is something that you want to pursue and do for a whole year. And number two, you need to build the perseverance and the patience and the character that it takes to use the $100 equipment, because I know from experience it's very hard. But if you can use the telescoping pole, if you can use the $100 equipment, you'll build that character and you'll build the grit that you need to stick with this business model. Okay, so after a few weeks of me making like $1,000 per week, I finally had my biggest day, which was actually 2 months ago, where I made $850 in one day. And if you don't believe me, the video is actually on my channel. You can go check that out. But the way I was actually able to do that was because I discovered a cheat code, which I'm about to share with you in the next couple minutes. But first, I need you to hit that subscribe button. If you want to learn more about teenage entrepreneurship or just business in general, I'm going to have a lot more videos coming soon that you're not going to miss out on. So hit that subscribe button, and now back to the video. Alright, so the secret key that allowed me to make $850 in one day is simply this. I was going out the day before and knocking doors in the evening around 6, 7, 8 p.m. and getting jobs lined up for the next day. So pretty much, I was getting like 4 jobs lined up for the next day, each like 200 apiece, and that would allow me to just do all those jobs the next day and not have to worry about sales. The beauty of this is that if you can do it during the evening, you get way more people home. When you knock during the day, there's not that many people home because people are going to work. So if you're knocking during the evening, you get way more people home, and the people that you do get at home are usually more responsive around the evening because, you know, they're more relaxed, they're, you know, just chilling at home. But if you get someone during the day, usually they're working from home. Even if they are home, they're probably working, and so you're getting them at a bad time. So honestly, the best time to door knock is during the evening, unless it's a Saturday. Saturdays are the only exception because everybody's home. But honestly, door knocking at the evening, it's the best. Get your jobs at the evening, then do them the next day, then get your jobs in the evening, then do them the next day, and just repeat that cycle. And it's honestly an incredible way to do this, and you can get tons and tons of jobs that way. Alright, so if you're still watching, you probably see this video popping up on screen right now. That's the video where I made $850 in one day. Definitely go check that out. Thank you for watching. Peace.